Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a WKING D9-1 outdoor Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first reason is for troubleshooting. If the speaker will not connect to Bluetooth or will not pair with your device, or if it's not syncing, or if there's any problems with the sound or it keeps disconnecting, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to pair it to a new device and have it forget all of its pairing history so that you can start fresh. You can do this with the hard reset. We'll do this for you. Once you do this, you'll need to set it up again. But if you want to do this, it's pretty easy. All we need to do is come around the back of our speaker, and since this is an outdoor speaker, there's a little protective cover. We need to remove this cover, and right here, you'll see there's the USB-C plug, and right above the plug, there's a small hole. You just need to take a paper clip or a pin or something, push it in that hole, and push the button for about a second, then release it, and that will hard reset this speaker.